Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Skills with Shehreen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply a theme on your WordPress website step by step. Themes are one of the easiest way to completely change the look and feel of your site. And luckily, WordPress offers thousands of free and premium options to choose from. So let's start. First, log in into your WordPress. This type of interface you can see, then click on pages. First I clear all the previous data, all previous pages which are downloaded before. When I delete all these pages, firstly this type of theme apply on there manually. It's not manually, it's I deleted all these pages. Now I can clear. I click on appearance and then theme and clear all the themes on there because I don't want any page will be shown on my new theme. So firstly I can remove all the previous themes. So I can click on new theme, upload theme and choose file. On there I have already have a premium theme available. Theme name is blogger. If you have a blogging website you can apply it. Firstly I apply parent theme, blogger parent theme, and click on install now. When I click on install now it is this theme installed successfully. Now I again go to theme pages, install blogger child theme, which one is available on my folder. I apply both, child and parent both are applied on my website. So these are both will be shown. I activate parent blogger theme. I click on it. When I click on it, this interface will be changed, but theme not fully shown on there because few steps are remaining. I click on activate button. When I click on activate button, now these plugin install, begin installing plugin. Click on there and install all the required plugins. If you want to install it, click on plugin and install and then click on apply. You can all install it once or by one. I can show you in the both ways. Now I install it one by one. If you install it one by one, it takes small time. So I apply it one by one. Different plugins are required on there. One of the most important is Elementor page builder. Due to this, I build pages of my website. Many more plugins are available on there: contact form, Redux framework, RT framework, RT demo importer. Various plugins are on there, and make sure all these plugins install successfully. Now I can activate all these plugins. Select option activate and apply. Interface will not be changed. So next step, go on dashboard of WordPress, click on appearance, tools, and then demo content install. Once I click on demo content install, then this type of interface I can be shown. Many themes are available on there, which one I want to like. So I can choose the home too. That's look like this. I like this on my website, so I can install this. I click on install. Okay, once it start to installing, it takes few minutes, so patiently you can wait for it. Now I refresh my page. Few more minutes you can wait. Now theme is apply. It's a simple and easy way you can change the theme of your website. If you like it, subscribe my button. Thanks for watching.